Welcome to the QISS Non-Conformance module. This video will show you the benefits and features of the QISS Non-Conformance module, including the ability to initiate and monitor internal and supplier non-conformances, the ability for suppliers and/or customers to log in and complete necessary actions, customized failure modes, categories and disposition types, and input for field mapping. Cradle-to-grave handling of individual nonconformances with flexible workflows. Dashboards, advanced searching, charts and reports, including exporting of said report. This is the QISS Nonconformance module webpage. Please note, on the side here, you see the breakdown of all the capabilities within this particular module. As with all modules in QISS, it is permission-based. This will grant specific persons, qualified people, or groups of people to undertake specific given tasks within each module. All modules are based on the permission-only situations. Therefore, you have the right people doing the right job. Additionally, during setup, which will be aided by members from the QIA company, you'll be able to set up task priorities, your various categories of types of nonconformances that your organization encounters. You'll be able to set up information relative to a material review board. Disposition types will be initiated, as well as failure modes. You can group nonconformances by group by creating a specific group of people from various departments to act upon nonconformances. Field mapping is available that allows you to set up generic fields as well as field values to add additional information and data within the nonconformance module. In order to initiate a nonconformance, it's merely a button click away in QISS. To initiate a nonconformance, the QISS system is set up in a very easy to use mode. Simply choose the particular program that the nonconformance originated in, whether it's a quality program, it could be health, safety, or environmental as examples. QISS automatically numbers your nonconformances in numerical order. Choose the title for the particular nonconformance. QISS shows who the initiator is by name. Choose the particular department that will be handling this nonconformance or from which it originated. Nonconformance origin, was it customer-based, supplier-based, internal? You can also have internal auditing as a result. The particular input name, what caused this nonconformance to originate? Was it a result of an accident report or an audit finding or the like? You can choose the NCR categories that you preload into the system, as well as any failure modes as to what happened to cause the nonconformance. This is an example of field mapping where additional information can be loaded into the system. You can describe your nonconformance herein. Please note, you can also load up files. Up to 5 separate files can be loaded relative to the description of this nonconformance. A very valuable feature of the software. This is where you undertake your action to take, which would be assign a responsible person to undertake this particular nonconformance. Please note, an initiator can always choose oneself. If you choose another individual, that individual will have to determine how long it will take him to complete the task, make any comments he wants, and then he can initiate the nonconformance, and this notification will go to this particular individual to undertake the task assigned to him. If you were to choose yourself, this would allow you the same situation where you would choose your next action, which you could either send this particular nonconformance to a material review board, send it for a disposition or a specific action, or you could make the disposition yourself and close the nonconformance, which will save time and money. Dashboards are available. Please note, if you are a manager of a particular module, you'll have a dashboard that covers all actions within that module, including all parties who have been assigned tasks. If you are a person that is responsible, the dashboard will only show those nonconformances that you actually had an assigned task assigned to you that you undertook an action for. Edit capabilities are available. Edit is in real time in QISS. You do not have to start over if an error has been made or an omission of data has occurred. You can edit basic information of the nonconformance. Any reference of the nonconformance can be changed herein. You can edit the assignee role. You can assign this nonconformance midstream to another individual. You can also oversee assignments of nonconformances by departments. A very, very handy button and feature is the undo last action that allows you simply to undo the last action undertaken in any nonconformance in your system, including any nonconformances that are already closed. Finally, the search capability. You can search by NCR number. You can also do an advanced search based upon NCR criteria that you enter in the system. Charts and reports are available. All charts and reports are exported to Excel spreadsheets for your convenience, and QISS will work with you to create any number of types of charts and reports your organization so desires. This has been a quick overview of the QISS Non-Conformance module. Please visit our website at www.quisssoftware.com for more information, or a detailed demonstration of our software can be arranged. Thank you for your time. Good day.